Hello guys, ngasi video asida Russia matau karam na global superpower oiraki haibidugi matang na khangminasi ahan makada video asebo yangbi ba pum nau pui kai khumna butchari. Now let's understand about the growing importance of Russia in global geopolitics. Aduga Soviet Union na 1914 dagi 1991 phawbugi marakta prithibigi leibak khudimaka lainariba mari amasung Sahi Chahum Rom dagi Russia se kari kidamak Europe ki leibak singnam makogi achauba national security threat amani hain lowri banu haibil sunga si video si kutang de khangmina si Russia was a nightmare to the Germany, Britain, France, Italy and Spain. Russia was a nightmare for the security issue for the Western Europe. And what exactly is there in Russia that it is posing a serious security threat for the past 300 years in Europe? Aduga Vladimir Putin internal plan asi kari and kari no man exactly pam ni basi so ngasi video asi kuthani khangminas Vladimir Putin so lising chani dagi Russia ki president natak na prime minister oiduna ngasi phawba laki so lising chani dagi hawraga ngasi phawba ma ki lamba papina ba amata leitana leiba ngakuna lagli. He is the undeclared dictator of the world. Only for a period of 4 years he was out of the government, but he runs the government remotely by installing a puppet called as Dmitry. And then he continues to run the government continuously. Howzik Soviet Union in 1914 dagi hawraga 1991 phawbagi marakta oikiba Soviet Union adugi matang de khangminasi 20th century the Europe achauba thodo ongka thoki madudi karino harakanda World War I, World War II and the balkanization of Soviet Union in the year 1991. In all these events, Russia was at its center stage, and they are having a confrontation with various Western European powers since the past 300 years. Global geopolitics po understand tau na bagi damak Russia po internal politics domain dagi han understand tau ba madarkaro. Russia se 1613 dagi hawraga 1930 phawba Imperial Russia hai ga sukhangnarami. Imperial Russia se Romanov Dynasty amna rule tau duna laki. Imperial Russia se prithibigi sakti khwaidagi leiba leibak singi manungda makhoisu amani. Russia bo maithiba piba lakya France ki power ba luchingba Napoleon phawba Russia gi makota maithiba nangkhibagi wari lai. Imperial Russia was a supporter of enlightenment, and at the same time Imperial Russia supported the idea of rights of peasants. But Russia committed its biggest ever mistake by invading Japan. Masina maram oiraga Russia gi mapangal asukki matik son tharaki economic condition asukki matik sukti laki Saningai thangai leitaba misi mina yam silaki masita natana Austria amadi Hungary na Serbia de attack ta wi haiduna Russia na Serbia nga thon abgi dama World War I da yausinki maram masina poverty ki chang so achukki mati wang khaki poverty ki phibam phachil laktaba dagi praja kaya lambi da thorkna protest to bhoraki normal protest torom badagi revolution onthoki maram masina achau revolution ama thoki masigi revolution asi bai khoina February revolution or Russian revolution hairaga khane. February Revolution na maram oiraga Imperial Russia gi ruler Nicholas Ningthau phambal thadoki. Russian Revolution na se lising machamapan tara tre ta thoki bani masi boy koina February Revolution ha su khangnai. Revolution na si industrial workers and peasants sing na maru oina tawkiba revolution ni makoina province singda provincial government linkatuna democracy chat anaba demand tawki amasung right of labor bu recognize tawnaba dabi su tawki. Ahan beda revolution asi mai paktuna provincial government ke alin khaki adubu revolution tawbadi yauri ba miyoi kharadi Moscow amadi St. Petersburg the revolutionary singi victory ubada makhata na Russia gi atopa mafum kaya sinba thunga revolution tawba bangki somai tawdana anirak suba revolution amuk thoki masigi anirak suba revolution asi bai koina November revolution or Bolshevik Revolution haraga khangai. Bolshevik Revolution ni matang de ayamana maming to wala basu taram lagani khali Bolshevik Revolution asina proletariat singi ruling khatpa pamki working class na leiba ngak ka damani maram di Russia da masing kwaidagi yam group asi working class ni maram masina working class ki dictatorship din khat ka bani haiba che pa tha jaba malaiki. Bolshevik Revolution asi Vladimir Lenin na luchingki Lenin stateless nation nama sema pambani adubu stateless nation nama sem na rohon abda praja sing the consciousness ama develop to bata karoi. Lenin na praja sing the consciousness develop to pe yu raktra bada direct hit revolution hoki tapna consciousness adum laksani ahan bada bourgeois sing han maru phangna mutappa pamki makoi muthat khabatung na tapna class difference le raktra ba matamda class conflict le roi stage darkar oiroi haina thajaki adubu Lenin ye manglan mang phau na bagi mahuta hian na sakti leiba authoritarian oibe state ama oirakhi Vladimir Lenin de facto leader oiki aduga Leon Trotsky na Lenin ye makada Red Army linkatuna Red Army ge chief oiki amasung Imperial Russia bu Communist Russia ontoki Soviet Union haibagi arthadi Soviet haibagi arthadi communist thajaba mi bu Soviet hai kawi ngasigidi matang asida video silo sinjarage matang part 2 da makhata ba video mu semjarake thank you see you in the next video